Tutorial: to create inventory master. Step 1. From the menu bar, choose Inventory, then Inventory Master, and select Manage Inventory menu. Step 2. Click the New Entry button on the right of the screen to start creating the master. This creates a new system-generated ID, which cannot be changed by the user, and all default values get set. If you want to check the last master created from this terminal, you can click the Cancel button. After clicking the New Entry button, always make sure that a new master ID and all default values have reflected. When making a new entry, do not use the mouse and click on fields to enter values. We will be using the Enter key to move from one field to the other. Step 3. The cursor is on Description, which is where we start. Enter the name of the inventory item. Press the Enter key when done. Step 4. We are now on the Category field. The default category ID is already set. We can select a suitable category ID if required. Type the first few letters of the category and press the Enter key. This brings up the lookup list from where we can select the appropriate category. If you know the exact category ID, you can directly enter the shortened form of the ID. When finished, press the Enter key. The category name gets displayed, and focus shifts to next field. Step 5. The focus is now on the brand field. Use the same steps as described for category to choose a suitable brand for the item. Press the Enter key when done. The brand name gets displayed and moves to the next field. Step 6. We are now on the Alias field, where we can enter a secondary name for the master. You can leave it empty if not required. Press Enter to move forward. We are now at the Unit Details section. A new row has already been generated with the default unit, PCS. Remember that the product unit, once saved, cannot be edited. It can, however, be removed if no entries exist, and a new product unit can be created if required. Step 7. Press Enter from the serial number column to shift focus to the product unit. Edit the unit if required, and press Enter. Step 8. We are now on Unit Relation, which is 1 by default. It represents the relation between the default unit and other units. Edit only if there are going to be additional units. Press Enter key to move forward. Step 9. Unit Cost, as the column name suggests, is the cost of the item in terms of this product unit. Edit and press Enter. Step 10. Unit Price is where we set the sales price for this product unit. Press Enter key to move to the next column. Step 11. The unit code column is auto-generated. If you maintain a code for inventory items based on unit, you can enter the value here. When done, press the Enter key. Step 12. The last column is used to set the default unit. For single unit items, it will be Y. If there are additional units, set Y for the default unit, and N for all other units. Press Enter to finalize this unit row. The unit row gets added, and a new detail row gets generated automatically. Repeat steps 7 to 12 if you have additional product units for this item. Do not make any editing to the new row generated at end once all units have been added. Step 13. Click the Save button on the right of screen to complete the master creation. Step 14. Click Exit to close the Manage Inventory screen, or repeat from Step 2 if you want to make another inventory master.